This segment completes our learning series on team-based care. We would like to thank the members of our Regional Chronic Disease Collaborative for their support in the production of this series. In this segment, we will wrap up this learning series and share information on the resources used to produce it, as well as some additional resources to provide continued support on our team-based care journey. The learning objectives for this series were to provide an overview of what team-based care is and why it is important, provide ideas for how to design and implement team-based care to meet the needs of our patients and practice, provide strategies to help build team capacity and resilience, and share ideas to expand and sustain team-based care in our practice and beyond the clinic into the community. There are many excellent resources already available on team-based care, and we used many of them to create this learning series. The links to all these resources are available in the description below. This learning series is intended to complement existing resources that focus on the clinical aspects of team-based care. Throughout this series, we focus on managing required organizational changes and the steps and tools to help design, implement, and sustain team-based care services that best fit the needs of our patients, practice, and community. Learning from Effective Ambulatory Practices, or LEAP, is a program aimed at helping primary care practices develop stronger teams. We reference their website throughout this learning series and encourage the use of their primary care team guide. Within this website, we can access the Get Started section, and these 5 questions can help determine where we should start. The Build the Team section provides detailed information on how we might use our team members and what their roles might be. There are opportunities to assess our staff and the current use of each role available in each learning module. And the Doing the Work section can provide information on what services or functions we might include in our team-based care model to help meet our goals. Under each function, we can assess our practice. Completing the full practice assessment is another good place to start our team-based care journey. Mountain Pacific's microlearning series on quality improvement basics provides an overview on how to use the model for improvement as recommended by the Institute for Healthcare Improvement to improve processes and service delivery. Here is a list of the individual segments you will find in this learning series. In collaboration with our Regional Chronic Disease Collaborative partners, Mountain Pacific produced a microlearning series on health equity basics. This series provides an overview and foundational knowledge on the topic of health equity. Here is a list of the individual segments you will find in this learning series. This microlearning series, also produced by Mountain Pacific in collaboration with our Regional Chronic Disease Collaborative partners, focuses on health information technology basics. This series provides an overview and foundational knowledge on the topic of health information technology and how to use it to support and advance the delivery of quality healthcare services. Here is a list of the individual segments you will find in this learning series. The Cambridge Health Alliance Model of Team-Based Care Implementation Guide and Toolkit has valuable information on how to get started, suggested roles and responsibilities for the team members, and examples of team-based care in use. It also provides recommendations, best practices, and lessons learned. We utilize some basic change management principles throughout the series. More information on how to effectively use change management practices can be found on this website. Links to additional resources we used and other resources that can help support our teams can be found in the description below. We hope this education has encouraged us all to take the next step in our journey to implement, expand, and improve team-based care services. Even small changes can help advance our team-based care delivery to improve health and well-being for our patients and community. If you have questions about this learning series or the Regional Chronic Disease Collaborative, please contact one of these Mountain Pacific representatives. Thank you for joining us, and good luck in your team-based care journey.